This is the wheelchair lift inside Building 11 West on the SCF Bradenton campus in Bradenton, Florida. Oh, the light's off. It's dimmer now. Okay. We might not really be able to see much, but as you see, this is a Garaventa or Garaventa, I don't know how to say it, Genesis vertical lift. Installed in 2008. And I'm pretty sure you can't really see the certificate, but it's an inclined wheelchair lift, and its capacity is 750 pounds. So with that being said, we're gonna go up to 2. Here we go. This is actually a private area. It's the control booth, and it's actually locked at the moment. When I came here for the first time, it wasn't, but now it is. So we're actually just gonna get a quick view from the top. I mean, I don't know why they installed this because it just goes to a non-public area, but anyway, we're going to we're gonna go to 1 now. May not be shut all the way. I think I should just go downstairs and call the lift, because that way you can see the floor pass. But however, you know, this control just doesn't seem to be working. It was earlier, I don't get it, but it just isn't now. So again, here's a look down the shaft. And yeah, I'm just going to set my GoPro up right here. That seemed to be a bit of an epic fail. Although, as you may have noticed, I actually had a bit of trouble trying to get it down. It's like I had to hold it down for a pretty long time in order to get it to start. So I think it may be that you have to hold it down for a lot longer than I had to the first time I was here. So with that being said, that'll be it.